Today is episode 61 of the 100-day upload streak, where today we're talking about why stability is more value than success. It's a good point to think about. Is stability really more valuable than success? Well, I see a lot of things online about success. Now, success can come in all sorts of forms, but we're going to go with the stereotypical one for this circumstance about maybe you have a very successful business and you've made a lot of money, yada, yada, yada. I came across this guy not long ago online, and he said he gave up his relationship, he gave up his family, he moved to Dubai, he's making 7 figures a month, and he's lonely. He's saying he's throwing £500 on a steak, and he's got everything he could have ever asked for. But he's lonely. Now, I've heard that story quite a lot about how lonely it is at the top. Now, as someone who's never been at the top, I can't tell you if that's true. But stability, I can tell you what stability is like, and stability is comforting. Stability is your cushion. It is maybe having a roof over your head, maybe having your family around you. Stability means you're okay. You could have a job where you're making a good enough income to support you and your family, and you could be doing all right. And that's okay. A lot of people love stability, and stability is a very valuable asset in life. A lot of people don't have stability though. I have been on both sides of the coin, as you guys are aware. I once didn't have stability for many years, but I do have stability now. I have a roof over my head, I have my child, I make videos, I have yada yada yada. You know, we've got some sort of stability going on right now in my life, and it's something that I've never experienced before. Now, the question of this video is why stability is more valuable than success. I guess it's safety. There's a difference between success and a difference between stability, and success is unsafe. Now, do I want to be successful? Absolutely. If I could be a billionaire tomorrow, would I? In a heartbeat. Yes, 100%. Would it be stable to get there? Realistically, I don't know. See, to become a billionaire, you need to take lots of risks. You need to take lots of steps on your journey, and you're going to sacrifice relationships, family, friends. You're going to sacrifice your home. You're going to sacrifice 18 plus hours a day sometimes focusing on a business idea for it to work. That could be software related, that could be selling things online, whatever you want to do to become this multi-millionaire or multi-billionaire. It's going to take a lot of sacrifices. So to define it being valuable, stability is definitely valuable because it keeps you safe. And safety is very, very important, because safety, it's comforting, it means that your family is okay. Stability is good. And it is more valuable than success. 100% it is. Because would I be willing to risk everything I have for success? Okay, yes, I would, 100% yeah. I would, yeah. But the majority of people probably wouldn't. Say, for instance, your stability was a 4-bedroom detached house. You got the car or the truck you want. You've got a good paying job. You're not living paycheck to paycheck. You're stable. You've got a couple of kids. You've got a partner. You're doing really well. You're getting a couple foreign holidays a year. You can do whatever you want, right? You are having a good life. That's stability, completely. Would you be prepared to sacrifice it all to make more money? Well, you could think about that massive house in Dubai you could have. You could think about this and that. There's so many things that you could possibly have. But stability is definitely valuable, especially when children are involved. When children are involved, stability means a lot for them. Kids need stability, especially with growing up. They need to know who's around, what's going on. Jumping from here, there, everywhere. Is that stable for a kid? No. Is it good for a kid? Yes. I believe travel is the key to everyone's heart. I believe that children learn more outside of a classroom. And if you are on a journey to success, you probably don't have complete stability. Unless you are extremely wealthy already successful, you have your stability and you've got enough on the side to go push it as a side project until it becomes more than your income, that is a whole different aspect. So stability is more valuable than success when it comes to children. But success always wins in my eyes. Again, I spoke about that guy who is lonely at the top. I don't know his name, and I wish I did. But by the sounds of it, he's lonely, and he sacrificed a lot. For me to have stability where I am now, I have sacrificed a lot as well. You see, some people do have to sacrifice for both. And unfortunately, I'm one of them. Stability here is good. I have a place. It's awesome. I don't have people around me. Absolutely not. They're hundreds of miles away. To get there, I need success. It's a weird one, isn't it? Thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope you have enjoyed it. Do you have stability or do you have success? Would you be prepared to potentially ruin your stability for success with the potentiality that it could fail? Honestly, I would really like to know, so let me know in the comments below. Adios, my miss amigos, and I shall see you guys all tomorrow. Tomorrow's video will of course be up at 5 PM for episode 62. Goodbye for now.